How to create a zip file on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a zip file on Windows computer. This method should work across most Windows versions. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to find the files that you want to compress. In my case, I have a few videos, files and PDF that I want to zip. But you can select any type and number of files that you like. And here I have already placed my files into a folder to keep things organized, but this step is optional. Now here simply right click on the folder where your files are located, not a file itself, just in the blank space. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on New option, and after that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on WinRAR ZIP Archive. And once you do that, it will create a zipped folder for you. So you can go ahead and select all the files that you want to compress. And once you have selected all, you can simply click and drag them into the zip folder. But don't worry, this doesn't move the original files, it just creates a compressed copies inside the zip folder. And after that, here you will see Windows compressing the files one by one. And once that's done, you can simply open the zip folder by double clicking on it to confirm everything is inside. And here your folder is now zipped and ready to be emailed, uploaded or stored elsewhere. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.